Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for July 1st, 2017. For the start of the new month, we're going to have a cold front moving toward the area today. Not quite as hot as it was yesterday, but not much cooler either. Temperatures will be in the middle to upper 80s today across much of the area. Cold front moving toward the area this afternoon and evening will bring scattered showers and thunderstorms that do carry some locally strong or even severe potential with them, and the primary concern today will be from straight line winds and large hail from those storms moving eastward. So we get to the early afternoon. Here's the line of storms that are going to be forming in central PA, moving their way eastward from that point, and then they'll get over to eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey by the time we get toward the evening. Let's get over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. I'm going to start this off at 1 p.m. Some initiation beginning here out in central Pennsylvania. It's going to make its way eastward. Now, the storms we had yesterday, very fascinating storms we had yesterday, kind of trending over the same areas, not moving anywhere with a sense of purpose. They were just garden variety for the most part, so not a lot of severe reports, at least not in this area. But we had some training of storms over the same areas that just kept raining and just rumbling thunder. I mean, we had a long-lasting storms that just didn't want to move out in a hurry. This will be the opposite today. I think these are going to be in and out pretty quickly. So these storms will last 45 minutes to an hour. And then once they move through, it's going to be a line of storms. Once it moves through, that's pretty much done. So most of your day today is not ruined. Okay, so just pay attention to where you are here on this map. And I'm going to start this off at this is going to start off at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Here's 2, here is 3, here is 4, here is 5. So you can see everything's moving from west to east generally, and you got a line that's going to be forming, and a congealed line that could bow out in some spots and give you some stronger, gustier winds. Gets over toward the Lehigh Valley 5, 6 p.m., and then here's 7, 8. And then once you get across the Delaware River, I think you're going to start losing some of the stronger characteristics. So you probably have strong storms up until you get to the point of maybe the Lehigh Valley down to Lancaster. Okay, then once you get further east from that, might even get down to Philadelphia, but it's more marginal out to this point. And that's why the Storm Prediction Center put a marginal risk further east. And you can see those just fall apart, though, as they head toward the coast. This is now 10 p.m. Combination of things, a little more stable air mass further east, but also you're going to be losing daytime heating by the time it gets to that point. But these storms don't last but maybe 45 minutes an hour. Quick in and out, dump some heavy rainfall, and so some very frequent lightning. I do want to get over to that, though. This is a lightning index that we got from True Weather that runs this model off the NAM. I'm just focused on our coverage area right here. Now, this might not look like much to many people, but this is a measure of severity of lightning on a scale of 1 to 100. And these colors represent here, these orange colors in here represent an 80 score out of 100. So that's pretty intense lightning expected. Anything here in the darker orange is actually 90 out of 100, and 100s are popping up here on this chart as well. So these are very high values for lightning, as we're expecting a lot of lightning with these storms as they move eastward. Just a very unstable environment supportive of lightning for our area with these storms on Saturday. So once that moves through, the front is going to come through, and then we clear out overnight, and then Sunday is going to be a mostly sunny day with lower humidity. So much nicer day Sunday. If you're going to be off yet here on Monday, in between the holiday on Tuesday, partly cloudy day on Monday, no precipitation whatsoever. We do have another boundary that's going to be moving southward through the region here on Tuesday, but I don't think you're going to get any precipitation except for maybe out in south central PA. Just anywhere northeast of that line looks like you stay dry. Just anything southwest of this line, south and west of this line, I should say, could have an isolated thunderstorm. So we're going to leave a very stray chance for a thunderstorm in the forecast, but most of the day on the actual holiday, 4th of July, will be dry. We're going to remain very warm during this period, not exceptionally hot, but very summer-like warmth. We're still going to be slightly above normal. Again, it doesn't have to be in the 90s to be above normal this time of year. Your normal highs are 82 to 86-ish. So if you're hanging around 87, 88 degrees, that's still above normal. It might not be tremendously above normal and oppressive, but it's still above normal nonetheless. Once we get into Wednesday, we're going to have start off the day partly cloudy, it looks like, and then we get toward the end of the day, could have some scattered late-day showers and thunderstorms, especially toward our central counties. And that will move eastward overnight and bring some possibly some locally heavy rainfall and scattered thunderstorms on Thursday morning before this system moves away. Might have another wave come through here on Thursday night into early Friday as well. We'll have to narrow down those synoptic features when we get a little bit closer. It looks like it's trying to break into 2 here, but who knows what's going to... I mean, that could certainly change. That looks kind of goofy with that evolution there, but you can look for some in the Wednesday, Thursday time frame to have some opportunity for scattered showers, first along a warm front, and the second with this system moving through, but generally across the area from west to east. On late Wednesday night and Thursday morning, you'll have more chance at more enhanced rainfall with that area low pressure moving across the area. And then once we get to Friday, we should start clearing out. But we do have a front that's going to drop off from the north here. That's going to drop off to the south and give us an opportunity for an isolated late day thunderstorm. Again, that's going to be on Friday. So later on Friday, we're getting way ahead of ourselves here, almost a week out here. So a lot of these features will change in the next couple runs. So we'll update this again on Monday and see where we go from here. But just follow along on the Facebook page and Twitter, and we'll keep you up to date on any severe thunderstorm watches that are issued. We are actually anticipating something like that to be issued today, just because we have that slight risk of severe storms across the area. So if that is issued, we will, of course, alert the public. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for July 1st, 2017. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.